Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss on important current affairs for 31st July. If the content is helpful, please share, like, comment and subscribe. First one. In which state was the Green Agriculture Project launched recently for transformative change in agriculture sector? Answer is Mizoram. Green Agriculture Project has been launched in Mizoram for the transformation of Indian agriculture sector. Under this project, the main aim is to transform the agriculture sector by deriving national and international benefits by green land management practices, conservation of critical biodiversity and forest landscapes. This project was planned to implement in 5 states including Mizoram. Other 4 states are Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Rajasthan and Uttarakhand. And the project is being funded by Global Environment Facility GEF. GEF was founded in 1992 to tackle environmental issues. And about Mizoram, capital of Mizoram is Aizawl and chief minister is Zoramthanga and governor is PS Sridharan Pillai. Next one. Which city of Northeast got the first manhole cleaning robot Bandicoot recently? Answer is Guwahati. Guwahati became the first city in the Northeast region to get a manhole cleaning robot named Bandicoot. This is an automatic saver cleaning device. This ensures the minimal human involvement in cleaning the manholes. Before this, Gurugram and Coimbatore have bought these robots. Bandicoot was developed by Gen Robotics, which is an Indian startup company under the Make in India initiative. And the funding for the development of Bandicoot was provided by Indian Oil Corporation Limited under the Corporate Social Responsibility Initiative. Where is Guwahati located? It is in Assam. What is the capital of Assam? Dispur. Chief Minister of Assam is Sarbanand Sonowal and Governor is Jagdish Mukhi. Next one. Which general insurance company has started a campaign Bahut Zaruri Hai recently? Answer is Bharati AXA General Insurance. Bharati AXA General Insurance has launched a crop insurance campaign called Bahut Zaruri Hai. This campaign was launched for farmers in Maharashtra and Karnataka to make them aware of yield protection and financial security. Recently in one of our video, we discussed that Bharati AXA General Insurance has received rupees 800 crore worth crop insurance mandate from the governments of Maharashtra and Karnataka under the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana for 3 years. Apart from this, the insurance company has launched Bahut Zaruri Hai campaign for farmers to highlight the significance of crop insurance, which will protect them from crop damage. Bharati AXA General Insurance is a joint venture between Bharati Enterprise and AXA. About Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, this scheme was launched in 2016 and its aim is to support sustainable production in agriculture by providing a comprehensive insurance cover against failure of the crop. Next one. When is World Day Against Trafficking in Persons observed? Answer is 30th July. Every year, the World Day Against Trafficking in Persons is observed on 30th July. This day is observed to raise awareness about the menace of human trafficking and to protect the human rights of the victims. The theme for 2020 is Committed to the Cause, Working on the Front Line to End Human Traffic. I repeat again, committed to the cause, working on the front line to end human trafficking. The theme for this year focus on the first responders to human trafficking. These are the people who work in different sectors, identifying, supporting, counseling and seeking justice for victims of trafficking and challenging the impunity of the traffickers. Next one. Union Cabinet approved the renaming of HRD Ministry. What is the new name of HRD Ministry? Answer is Ministry of Education. Union Cabinet has approved the renaming of the Ministry of Human Resource Development as the Ministry of Education. Initially, the name was Ministry of Education itself, but in 1985, during the tenure of former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi, it was changed to HRD Ministry. And now again it has been renamed as Ministry of Education to focus majorly on education and learning. Who is the current HRD Minister? Current HRD Minister is Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Next question. Which organization has launched Dare to Dream 2.0 contest for innovators and startups recently? Answer is DRDO. DRDO has launched Dare to Dream 2.0 contest for innovators and startups aimed at emerging technologies to promote the individuals and startups for innovation in defense and aerospace technologies in India. This contest is to promote the innovators and startups of the country to come forward with their innovational ideas. Under this, the winners will be awarded money up to rupees 10 lakh for the startup and rupees 5 lakh to the individual category. About DRDO, full form of DRDO is Defense Research and Development Organization. Its present chairman is Dr. G. Satish Reddy. It was formed in the year 1958 and its headquarters is in New Delhi. Next one. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of Paytm Money recently? Answer is Varun Sridhar. Varun Sridhar has been appointed as the new CEO of Paytm Money. He will be replacing former CEO Praveen Jadhav, who recently resigned. Paytm Money is a fully owned subsidiary of 197 Communications Limited. 197 Communications Limited has launched Paytm, Paytm Mall, and Paytm Payments Bank and Paytm Money. Paytm Money offers investments in direct plans of mutual fund schemes in India. Paytm was founded by Vijay Shekhar Sharma in 2010 and its headquarters is in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Next one. When is International Day of Friendship observed? Correct answer is 30th July. International Day of Friendship is observed on 30th July every year since 2011. The United Nations General Assembly proclaimed July 30 as the official International Day of Friendship in 2011. The aim of this day is to encourage a strong bond of friendship between people of different nations, irrespective of race, color, gender, religion, etc. And remember, in India, Friendship Day is celebrated on first Sunday of August. And about United Nations, it was established in the year 1945. Current Secretary General is Antonio Guterres and its headquarters is in New York. Next question. SS Motivation founder and CEO Sunil YDV SS receives which award recently from United Nations and International Confederation of NGO? Correct answer is Karmavir Chakra Award. Founder of SS Motivation Sunil YDV SS was honored with Karmavir Chakra Award by Global Fellowship Award instituted by United Nations and International Confederation of NGO. He received the award for his contribution to society through his Instagram channel. He raises social issues and motivates people. He achieved 127 million views in 2019, one of the highest global records attained by a Telegram channel that addresses Indian social issues along with motivational content. He has been nominated and awarded more than 30 international, national, and state awards since 2019. Next one. Zaibunissa passed away recently. What was her profession? Answer is actress. Zaibunissa was a veteran Bollywood actress and she is popularly known as Kumkum. She acted in approximately 115 films during her career. She acted in films like Mother India, Aankhe, Ujala, Naya Daur, Kohinoor, etc. She paired with many film heroes of her time and was popular in roles with Kishore Kumar. Kumkum also acted in a Bhojpuri film in 1963, which was the first ever Bhojpuri film. These are the important current affairs for 31st July. If the content is helpful, please share, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.